Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about booleans in Kotlin. Earlier we have already discussed about it in data type section, but today we are going to discuss about it in detail. So let's see what is booleans in Kotlin. In programming language, sometimes we need for values like true or false, yes or no, on or off, that we need them in many situations, like if we want to check if this customer is registered, yes or no, the result will be yes or no, true or false. Sometimes if we are checking some conditions that it will be true either or false. So we need for booleans in programming language. In Kotlin also, like other programming language, we have booleans. So let's see in practical demonstration of our program what is booleans, in which areas we are using booleans. So let's see. Now in practical demonstration of our program, I have already created a new project that you can see at the top, booleans demo. You can also do that by going file, under new, click on project. So click on create, make your project. And here I have declared two variables and I have assigned the boolean values for them, true and false. The first variable is Kotlin easy, boolean value true, and second one is Java hard, the boolean value false I have assigned. In here I have print those values with println function, and I have used a different way for using boolean values in here, using logical operators and, or, and not, that you can see in here. The first expression will return if two sides of our variable, our expression will be true, it will be true, otherwise it will be false, that I have used and operator in here. For second one, which is or operator, if at least one side is true, it will be true, otherwise it will be false. For not operator, if it is true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it true. In here, I have declared two values, num1 and num2. Num1 is assigned by 10 and num2 is by 20. So in here, I have used from Boolean expression. You can see inside a string template. I have used from less than keyword in here to check this. If num1 is less than num2, it will be true, otherwise it will be false, that we will check in console. In here I have given an example with if statement. Most of you, maybe in other programming language, you already know about what is if statement. In here this variable is assigned is running, the variable is running is assigned by a boolean value which is false. In here inside our if statement, if this variable is assigned by true, this block of code, this block of if statement will be executed. Otherwise the else, if it is false, the else block of code will be executed. So in here now we will run our code. Now in console, the first value that you can see, Kotlin is easy, it is true, that we have printed. Those values were already assigned. Now in here Java is hard, you can see false, we have successfully printed those. For logical operators, I have already said if it is both sides are true, it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Now it is false because one side is false. The or operator, if at least one side is true, it will be true, it is true. For not, it was true, it is false. Now the result is false. For Boolean expression, as you can see, num1 was less than num2, it was 10, and num2 was 20, it was less than that. So it is true. As we can see in here, the if statement, this is running variable, it has false value, false boolean value, you can see, and the if statement will the block of if statement will not get execute, and in here the else block will get execute. So in here, as we can see, enjoy the sunshine, it is else block of code because it was false. So it was all about booleans in Kotlin. We have used differently in different examples. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you in the next one.